This is a liquid or a wax or oil type of undercoating, which is much better than the rubber, because the rubber one will seal it, and if there's a hole, the water will penetrate inside, and that's where the rust will start. Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do some undercoating of my new Honda Pilot. So I don't know if you can see here, I used a ramp to make it a little bit higher, but at the back I don't need to do that. I guess that's fine. And when you're using a ramp, make sure you have a choke at the back, and I'll be using a fluid film and the sprayer and the compressor. So you also need this one and the gloves. And I forgot my eye protection. I'll get it, just a sec. Here I got my eye protection. Alright, so I will transfer my fluid film here, the spray bottle. It's really thick. This one. And let's start spraying. So for my wall wax spray, I have these two extensions. This one is a straight only, and this one have holes on the side, which will spray on different direction. I will insert this inside those holes, this one, so it will spray all over inside. So I will start first with this 360 spray. See the I'll be using the straight one. Alright, so basically you have to spray underneath of your car. There's a lot of cover here and I don't want to remove it, but if you're really that meticulous, you can remove them and then spray all over the metal parts and then put the cover back. So I'll do the same on the other half, so see you later. This one get rusty, it's very quick. So this thin metal here, I sprayed it also, and behind it, and you can see the texture here. That's the wax. So this is a liquid or a wax or oil type of undercoating, which is much better than the rubber, because the rubber one will seal it, and if there's a hole, the water will penetrate inside, and that's where the rust will start. Like and this one also I sprayed here. All the hose inside, I insert the hose or the extension. So that is I sprayed also inside this bar, and I avoided this muffler because it will just burn it. So also this rubber, I think I may have missed this part, but you can also include the rubber. Also with the wiring, I also sprayed it on the brake lines. Yeah. What else? Here you can see I also sprayed this part, and also I go to the hood. You can see it's a nice thing with the Honda Pilot or even the Ridgeline. It has two options with this where you can put this metal support. You can put it here or here, so I put it a little bit higher so that you can see much better. So I also sprayed here and here and some part, I guess here inside, and also inside this hood I sprayed it inside. Here basically that's what I did for spraying fluid film. It's better to protect your car, especially newly bought one, with undercoating. So next year will be another round. So what will happen is it will collect some of the dust there. No need to wipe it off, just spray on top of it. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.